I've got a video ranking #1 on Google and #1 on ChatGPT. I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how you can start doing this for yourself. Now, SEO has been a long-term play. A lot of people have been preaching it for years. Maybe you've tried it, maybe you haven't, but it's tough. ChatGPT is the new goldmine for SEO, and my trick is to actually use YouTube videos to do that. Hey there, my name's Brad Smith, owner of Automation Links. I've been doing this marketing stuff for the last 10 years, work with over 2,500 brands. Not gonna bore you with that. You can always learn more here. You can also play my video at 1.5 speed so you can quickly get through this, learn it, and implement it for yourself. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just want to teach you how to do it. Whether you want to do it, have your team do it, or ask for help later, go ahead and speed this up. Let's rock and roll. All right, so in this video right here, I started ranking this, and I actually created this video because I saw someone else taking good action on Google. So what I'm going to look for here is if I Google search this keyword, you're going to see that this guy right here was ranking #1 for this. And what I want to do is compete with him for my words. So I created a similar video. And you can see just 1 week ago, I'm already on the top page, #4. My goal is to actually get to the top, and this is how we're going to do it. We can always scroll down a little bit, and now you're going to see my blog post here. My blog post is actually ranking higher than this person doing the full course on X. Now, how we're going to do this for yourself, whether you have a blog, you do a YouTube video, or you want to do social media posts, the goal is called indexing. ChatGPT is still looking for indexing. What that means is other websites that are referring people to your content. That's what you need to focus on, is building good content to allow people to come from all these different channels. And by the way, if you want this full system I'm sharing today, I've got the prompt for you to actually go implement this. Comment system down below. Somebody from my team will send it over. All right, let's go back to it. So what we're gonna do is also go over to ChatGPT, and you're gonna see right here that I asked it, can you show me a video teaching me this, how to build your brand on YouTube full course? And as you can see, my YouTube video shows up, and somebody can watch my YouTube video right in ChatGPT. It also says why it stands out and some key points here. From there, I also have social media posts. I use something called Go High Level to go schedule all of my social media posts. You can see that I just scheduled this today, published here because I want to get more traffic from LinkedIn back to this post as well. And what I did was I said, hey, this video is seeing good traction. Here's what you're gonna learn. And then I linked it back to my YouTube video here. So that's what you want to do, is start indexing these. From there, what I do is I create a blog post. So that's really the key, is you need to create a blog post, which would be your pillar content. In this blog post, you want to focus on the title. You want to give AI exactly what you're going to be covering in this blog post. That way, when somebody goes to search for it, you're referencing what they're going to learn quickly. And that's really the goal with Google and ChatGPT now, is they want to give that answer to somebody quickly and keep them on their platform. So what we want to do is give the answer quickly on our platform and give that to them so that they can start showing that. Now, yeah, that sucks because now most people won't go to our website, but the ones that do will have high search intent, and they're going to want to work with you because they're the ones that saw that you provided the answer. They see you as the expert, and most likely they'll come and work with you. Next thing you want to do, I highly encourage you to do videos. If you go back to Google here, you're going to see that it has all, and it's showing videos at the top. It's not showing blog posts at the top. Then videos is tab #2, short videos is tab #3. So whether you're doing long videos or short videos, you're going to start showing up on search. Now, what's really cool is Instagram's going to start showing up here on search as well. You want to make sure that, just like I show you right here, I'm going to go back to mine. What we want to do is we want to make sure we do these timestamps down below so people can easily go there. All right, so you want to embed that video here. Hopefully you're making videos. Then what you want to do is create the actual blog post. Now here's the trick. Don't let AI create this. You either have to write it yourself or do what I do, download the transcriptions from the video and turn the transcriptions into the blog post, because that's totally original to you. Then what you want to do next is you go over to ChatGPT and you want to tell ChatGPT that you've got this blog. You're going to go in here and you're going to say, hey, index this blog and YouTube video to show up when someone searches. Now, right now, it's only showing up for yourself, your past searches. So when you index this, you can go back and you can actually go find this video, your blog will show up at the top, not to anyone else, but it will in the future. They're selling your data. ChatGPT is selling our data to things like Apple for advertiser networks, collecting the data, and now they're going to start showing based on the indexes there. Last but not least, I want you to go over and make sure you're on Google Search Console. You can also do this on Bing Webmaster as well. Go to your website. After you publish your blog post, copy that URL, go back to Search Console, put it in the top bar, hit enter. Once it's going to pick it up, you're going to go and say request indexing, and you're going to say, hey Google, I have a new blog. There's a YouTube video in there. Start showing this quickly. If you don't do this, you're going to have to wait a few weeks, maybe a month, before they actually crawl it and pick it up. I like just being super intentional, heading over here and also to Bing Web Tools and doing this as soon as the blog post is launched. All right, so what are you waiting for? It's time for you to start putting some work and effort into your content so you start showing up as the expert. And that's really the goal. You want to educate, provide value, become the expert online by providing real content with that one pillar piece, and then letting everything reference from there, creating social media posts from it, creating videos around it, the blog posts, and then pushing it out to all the networks. A quick tip you'll see in the guide, if you comment system and get that guide, you're going to see that we encourage you to post this same post on LinkedIn, on your business LinkedIn, on Medium, on Reddit, on whatever other blog networks you can find out there. You want to get it everywhere. On X, anything that's a news or blog worthy site, you want to get that content out there because that builds trust, indexes your pages, and pushes it back to Google and AI ChatGPT. So I hope this video brought you a ton of value. If it did, it'd be awesome if you subscribe to my channel right here. And if you want to learn more about this marketing and automation stuff, you can check out this playlist here. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on my next one.